Good morning, everyone. Um, Today, we will continue discussing about projectile motion. So, mag-review muna tayo ng konti about dun sa last video na binigay ko sa inyo last time. So, going back again, when we say projectile motion, so it's the motion of an object na we throw it in the air. It's either horizontally or at an angle, and the only force acting in that object is gravity. So, ang tawag natin sa object na tinatapon in the air, up in the air, is called the projectile. Yung tawag natin sa path na tinatahak niya ay trajectory. And there are two components na nakakaapekto sa motion ng isang projectile. So, one is the vertical component and the other one is the horizontal component. So there are two types of scenarios na pwedeng mangyari sa isang projectile. One is that it will be launched horizontally and the other one is it's launched at an angle. So dun sa nakaraang video natin, sinabi natin na ang isang object na nilaunch horizontally ay may constant na velocity. Okay, constant na velocity for its horizontal motion. So this is what will happen to a projectile launched horizontally. It will follow this trajectory which is in the shape of parabola. And bakit siya bumaba? Bakit hindi siya dumire-diretso? Kasi nga, there's a force of gravity acting on it. So, hindi lang horizontal yung component ng motion, meron na ring vertical. Okay? So, now let's take a look at our next situation, which is kapag nilaunch naman siya ng may angle. Dito kasi walang angle, 0 degrees. But paano kapag nilaunch siya at an angle? Alright, so here we are. Nandito tayo sa FET Colorado na website. Okay, I'll be sending the link to you so you can also explore this simulation. So, inakita ko na to sa inyo last time nung sa last recording. Ano nga ulit yung mga components? So, we have height, kung gaano kataas yung origin ng projectile. So, pwedeng baguhin yan. Idadrag nyo lang siya pataas or pababa para mabago yung height. You can also change the velocity, the initial velocity or the initial speed dito. Okay. Yan. What else can we change? We can also change the type of material that you're throwing or the projectile. So for example, pumpkin, ito yung mass niya, 5 kilograms. So we can change it to a cannon or a tank shell or a golf ball. Yeah, okay. And this one, this is the distance that the object or the projectile will travel. We can also change, now this time, we can also change the angle because ang second natin na condition ay an object thrown at an angle. Yung una nating situation ay an object thrown horizontally. So it means that the angle is 0. So like this one. But how about if there is an angle? Okay, like for example, this one, 25 degrees. Okay? So anong mangyayari kapag may angle? Right? So let's see. So itong red button na to, siya yung parang start button na pwede mo nang i-launch yung projectile mo. Okay? So let's try. There. Okay? So it means na ang distance na na-travel ng isang projectile pag 25 degrees, yung angle at a height of 4 meters, and the initial speed is 15 meters per second at ang mass ay 0.05 kilograms, ang mararating niyang distance ay 24.0 meters. Okay? So that's how you do it. So now, sasagutan nyo naman yung mga questions na tungkol naman dito sa situation na 'to. So again, yung ginawa natin sa simulation kanina, we launch the projectile at an angle. So by using the simulation, you'll be able to know, you'll be able to explore kung ano yung distance na kayang i-travel ng objects when they are launched at different angles. Okay, so here is the question. So you will need to explore the Fat Colorado and identify ano yung effect ng angle sa distance traveled. Okay? What's the effect of the angle to the distance traveled? I'll be giving you sets of angles to find out kung ano yung epekto ng pagbabago-bago ng angles sa distance na ita-travel ng isang projectile. Okay, so that's it for today. So I hope you'll be able to do um, itong pinapagawa ko because this is also part of your activity. This is part of your written work. So I hope na hindi nyo siya ma-miss because we only have few activities to record for this quarter. So I hope everyone will take care. Sana lahat kayo ay okay. Please stay safe and drink lots of water. Bye everyone and see you again soon.